Hi there. Today on Novatools, we will explore how to track participant progress on sessions and projects. Here we are on the project page, viewing a workshop that we are hosting. For each session, there is a progress bar at the top of the session card, indicating the overall completion status for that session. If you click on the progress bar, it will open a more detailed progress bar about the session, breaking it down into completion by each participant. Once the information provided in a session is deemed complete, it can be marked complete by pressing the three dots at the bottom right of the card and pressing Complete Session. Next, we want to understand the overall progress of the entire project, which in this case is our workshop. To see this information, we need to open the project report, which is accessible by clicking the three dots in the upper right corner and selecting View Project Report. This document provides you with a variety of information about your project at a glance, including session details, overall progress, and even participation details for each participant across the project. Now we've figured out how we can track progress for individual sessions, as well as projects as a whole. That's all for this video. See you in the next one.